Hey guys, so before we get into this video, I want to let you guys know that this was pre-recorded a couple of months ago and I didn't get to embark on the project at the time that I wanted to, so now I am about to dive into this kitchen project. So this video will explain to you a few of the changes that I want to start making to my kitchen, and I am so excited to finally be doing this. So we are about to have a lot of fun working on this project, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday. It is a really chill day, but I'm about to head out to Floor & Decor because I want to look at kitchen backsplash for in here. Of course, I want to put backsplash along like in between my cabinets and my countertop area, and it's one of the things that I said that I was going to make sure that I did this year was add backsplash to my kitchen. So it's probably gonna take me some time to do it. I don't know if I want to do it myself or pay somebody else to do it. I have had somebody to come out and give me an estimate, and I'm pretty happy with the quote that he gave me for the labor part. And of course, everything else like materials, grout, and all that stuff will be on me. So I'm about to go out to, like I said, Floor & Decor, because they are a huge like tile and flooring warehouse, and just kind of see what my options are. I really want to go with the mosaic tile. I love the glass mosaic, and if I could find something like that to go in here, that would be great. Because my cabinets are dark, I definitely want to stick with something in more of a neutral tone palette, with probably like a grayish in between like beige and gray. And I don't know if I want to repaint my walls or what, you know, but I don't know. But one thing I do know is that I want to do kitchen backsplash. Another update that I made was I switched out my lights from the regular lights to the LED lights, LED daylight lights in here. And I had 6 of the recessed lightings up there, and I switched all 6 of those out. Actually wasn't as costly as I thought it was going to be. It just depended on like what watts I got. So I ended up finding a 6-pack at Home Depot in the EcoSmart brand for about $25, which was really, really good, because at Walmart there was 2 in a pack for $20. So I thought I was going to end up spending more than that, maybe, but I ended up doing pretty good with that. So I like the way that it looks. It's really clear. It's not as yellow. It's really bright in here, and I like that, like I said, because of the dark cabinets. The LED lights really, really do work good, especially in the kitchen. So this is what it looked like before with the yellow lighting in the kitchen. Really, really yellow. So now do you see how nice and bright everything is with the LED lights? It's just super clear and super bright, and it shows everything really, really true to color. Really true to color. That's one of the updates I made. Another update that I want to make to my kitchen, and this is like all cosmetic stuff, nothing that's going to require me to really bring in a contractor or anything. I'm not doing any type of like demolition or anything, aside from if, like I said, if I get someone else to do the backsplash, then of course I'll have to bring somebody in. But my hardware, like if you look at my knobs here, I have dark knobs and stuff on top of the dark cabinets. There's a part of me that wants to switch that out to more of a nickel or silver, kind of match my stainless steel appliances and all of that. So, you know, we'll see. Just a few little updates I want to do in here. But in the meantime, I'm taking you guys with me to Floor & Decor. So let's just head out and look at Backsplash and kind of see what they have. And, you know, I don't know if you've ever been in one, so then you can see if you have one in your area. You want to do some updates like this or something in your kitchen, Floor & Decor might be a good option aside from, you know, Lowe's and Home Depot. My camera has stopped, but anyway, let's head out to Floor & Decor and see what they have for backsplash. I'm kind of excited. You know, I really want to see the different patterns. I just love the glass, so let's go. this is a lot of the gray marble right here. You can buy little individual pieces of marble. Like, this is so cute. And they're only $149 per piece. This is a really, really pretty pattern right here. So this is a really pretty neutral. It's like an ivory off-white color. And this is a thicker ivory subway color. And I have this one. This one is too dark. It's just got this darkness right here. I know it's not gonna look right. Now I love this one right here. This is beautiful. It's broke. Let's find one that's not broke. Here we go. Oh, that is pretty. I love this. So they also have this color here. For whatever reason, it's looking gray, but it's actually more of a champagne. But it's kind of like, I think this one is more of a mix of like this color and this color in one. So. All of these are gonna be too dark. This is really pretty. See, I like that gray marble. That's when I kind of like wish I had an area that was white, but I gotta stick within like that gray beige family. And it's so many options to choose from. I have no idea what to get. It's so many options to choose from. I have no idea what to get. So yeah, this is gonna be more than just a day. This is gonna take some time for me to narrow this down. This place is huge. All right, y'all, so these are the three that I picked up. I have this one, which is more of like a gray with a little bit of beige and some deep gray. And then this one is really neutral. It's more white, beige, and it has marble in it. And then I picked up this one too, which has all three of the colors. Not sure why I picked this up because I don't know about this pattern. This is really blocky, but I said I was going to try it because it had these two colors in, which is like the gray and the beige that I want. So I'm about to have to put them against the wall and we'll see exactly what they look like on the counter against my cabinets. So from this angle, you can get a pretty good idea as to what they look like against the cabinet too. There's that one, and then this one. This is the one that I really like. I think it goes really good because it's so neutral. And then disregard, I guess it's trash day. Yeah, this one here has the colors, but like I said, don't know about the pattern. So I'm gonna have to put it against the wall. So this is the first one. This is what it looks like against the counter and the cabinet. It's a bit dark, so I'm not sure that I really like it. Okay, well, I do like it, but I think that the gray might be a bit too dark, and I don't want to go dark because I already have dark cabinets. So I'm not too sure about it, but it's a beautiful pattern. I just don't think it's gonna make the running for me. So here's the second one. It doesn't want to stay up straight, but you can get the idea of what I'm trying to do. This is what it looks like. I really like it. I like how it's so neutral. It blends in good with the cabinets and also blends in really good with my countertops. And I can just already see the difference with just having Backsplash and the bare wall back there. And I got like just little stains from splatters and stuff against the wall that you probably can see. And I hate that, which is another reason why I wanted to go ahead on and get Backsplash so I can just wipe it down. Because as you cook and stuff in the kitchen, you start to have, you know, things and like abrasions and stuff on the wall like this. So yeah, that's the second one. So this one is a keeper. I'm gonna hold on to this pattern and put it in my little collection of Backsplash patterns for this project. This is the third one. Colors go really good, but I'm not fond of that darkness that's in there. Probably if it just had these two colors, we'd be good. But yeah, I don't like that pattern. That's a no-go. So basically of these three, I'm gonna take that one back. I'm gonna take this one back, and I'm gonna keep this middle one right here. And I still have to go and look at some other places like Home Depot and Lowe's and see what kind of Backsplash they have too. And then I'm gonna put them all together and put them against the wall and see which one I like the best. So I'm gonna keep this one.